Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Roblox step by step. You can easily install it on your laptop or PC and start playing your favorite games. So let's get started. So to download Roblox, download Roblox in your any browser. Okay. So for an example, I'll write in Chrome, download Roblox. Okay. Simply click on it. Also, you can download Roblox from your Microsoft Store too. Okay. So after that, you just need to click on download Windows app. So let's do now. As you can see, our Roblox setup is ready. So simply open it, click on run, and the process of installation is started. Wait for a few moments. So guys, once download is done, it automatically closes and appears directly on your desktop. Let's see. So as you can see, Roblox has appeared on the screen. Okay, you can easily open it and sign up to start playing. Okay, let's do. So I opened Roblox. As soon as it opened, the sign in page appeared. You can easily sign in and start playing the game. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.